Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro. Just want to wish you all a happy Easter weekend. This is Good Friday, so happy Easter. We are at our property on Clydesdale in Moreno Valley. And as I always say, a lot has happened since our last video. As you can see, we have all our lath up. And for you first-time watchers, I'll explain there are multiple levels. Too much coffee this morning, guys, sorry. Multiple levels to stucco. So the first layer is the vapor barrier and the chicken wire. So this prevents moisture from going inside, and this chicken wire, that's what we like to call it, this wire mesh, holds that first layer of stucco up. The first layer is called the scratch coat. That's when it looks like, most of you haven't seen it, but it's the first layer of stucco that goes up, and they call it scratch coat because it looks like people scratched it on their with their nails. The second layer is the brown coat. That's that thicker, smoother layer that goes up over that. And then the final coat is the color coat, which includes all the pigment and that texture that you see on the outside of your stucco. In between each one of these layers, depending on the weather, you know, about 7 to 10 days of drying before you put the next coat up. On this particular unit, the eaves and the fascia are going to be stuccoed. I guess here in Moreno Valley, in the middle of all of these rocks, we're in a fire zone. So because of the recent fires, most of these structures now, they call them hardened structures, which means no wood exposed like these eaves, so no embers can get in there and burn the place down. We also have all our insulation installed. So as I've described in other videos, but for your first time watchers, there's different ratings for insulation in the walls. There's a rating for a wall, as in this one, it's an R15. And let's see here, I believe on the ceiling we can see it, but this is an R30 on the ceiling. And then on the roof framing, they actually have an R13. Now they've multiple layers of insulation in these units. The different R rating is the density. So the lower the number, the less dense the insulation is. The higher the number, the more dense it is to keep that radiant heat from coming through. But we have an inspection today, and that's why I'm here. So they're going to inspect all our insulation. Once they sign my inspection card, you see all these signatures here because that's what has to happen on different levels of it. Then we're able to install our drywall. And then when the drywall goes up, then they have to inspect the screws. I'll show that in the next video. And then our flooring, our kitchen, our tile in our bathrooms. So guys, any questions about any processes of building an ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Subscribe, keep up with our videos so you can see what we're doing, and give us some likes, please. Guys, have an awesome Easter. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.